Today we're going to make Kashmiri potatoes, which in Kashmir is said as Dum Aloo, very popular dish. So let's get cooking. So the potatoes are now on heat. We're going to add in some salt. And we can just leave it to boil until they're soft, and use, if you can, just use a cocktail stick just to check and see if they're soft. Potatoes are boiled and I've checked to see if they're soft, so we're going to start peeling them. So all the potatoes are now peeled and we're ready to start frying. Just a tip, if you'd rather peel your potatoes before, they're still small and quite difficult to hold, you can do. But boiling the potatoes in their peel does keep the taste. I'm going to put some oil in to start frying. You can use whatever oil you like, but I tend to stick to 2 or 3. One is olive oil. It's my favourite. You don't want olive oil to burn, only because it can lose the taste. So the oil is ready. We're just going to start slowly frying. Slide them in. And you don't want them to go brown too quickly. You just want a nice golden brown so that it doesn't burn on the outside. So I'll just turn them all over and just keep turning them a little by little so that we can get them nice and brown. So the potatoes are golden brown, we're going to take them out. Our potatoes are beautifully fried, nice evenly golden brown. So let's start the spices. So we put some yogurt in here and we've added salt, tomato puree. Just mix it together with your whisker. And now we're going to add in all of our spices. So in there we have chili, and we've got coriander, cumin, fennel, ginger. I didn't put the garam masala, that'll be for later. That's ready. Now add in the whole spices, which is bay leaves, cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, cumin, as well as some cardamom. Fry for about 5 seconds, and then we're ready to add in the garlic and ginger. So now that's ready. Add in the garlic and ginger. Just fry till golden brown. Mix it around. Now add in the yogurt mixture. And mix it around very quickly. I've turned the gas off just so that it will give you a chance to mix this in to the oil. Just keep mixing. What we want is the oil to separate from the yogurt mixture. As you can see, it's now separating from the yogurt. So now we're going to add some water in. You need about 700 ml. And then just gently slide the potatoes in. And now we'll leave it to simmer with the lid on. I've checked the potatoes, they're lovely and soft. Use a cocktail stick just to check. And now we're ready to just put some garam masala in right at the end. Only need a little bit, and you just stir that in. It's nice to leave a little juice so that when you're eating it with rice, you can soak it up with the rice or even bread, but rice is usually quite nice with this. The last step will be to add in a little bit of pepper. And now it's ready to serve.